Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Trello to run a brand design approval workflow step by step clearly. Start by opening your Trello board dedicated to your brand design project. If you haven't created one yet, click Create New Board and name it appropriately. Add lists that represent the different stages of your design approval workflow. Common lists include ideas, in progress, review, and approved. Now, create cards for each design concept or project. Click on Add a card under the corresponding list and fill in the card title. Add a description to provide context about each design. You can also attach files or images of the designs for better visibility. Once your cards are set up, invite team members to the board by clicking on Invite in the menu. Type in their email addresses and assign them roles as needed. Next, establish clear deadlines for your designs by adding due dates to each card. Click on the card, then select Due Date on the right-hand side. Set a reasonable date that allows for review time. To start the approval workflow, move cards from the In Progress list to the Review list. Notify team members when a design is ready for review by using comments within the card. Encourage them to provide feedback directly in the comments section for easy tracking. As reviewers add their comments, make sure to address each piece of feedback. Update the design based on suggestions if necessary, and then resubmit. To finalize approval, move the card to the approved list once all feedback has been addressed. Maintain organization by archiving cards that are no longer needed. You can also create checklists within cards to ensure every step of the approval is completed. To add a checklist, click on the card, then select Checklist, and outline necessary tasks. Finally, monitor the progress of your workflow regularly to ensure timely approvals. Adjust and improve the process based on lessons learned after each iteration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.